Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I will be covering a useful technique for expanding your crochet skills. This is the front post variant of stitches. I will be using US terminology. Please refer to the description below for translation to UK. This video will show what front post means, showing how it is done with single crochet. I will also show with some other stitches, but the basis is consistent. It doesn't matter what hook and yarn you are using. If you're a beginner, a 4mm hook and 8-ply yarn is probably easiest, but whatever you have on hand or matching the pattern you're using is fine. Instead of inserting through the top of the stitch, go from the front of the stitch behind it, as you can see on screen. Once it is inserted, complete the stitch as normal. For example, a single crochet is yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through. Now, if you're doing a double crochet, we would yarn over first, then hook around the front of the stitch. Yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is a front post double crochet, or shorthand as FPDC. Let me show you a row of single crochet completed with this method. Now, a row of double crochet. You can see that it has created a little shelf, with a line on the back. This can be useful for creating a visible design on the front or back, if alternating normal stitches and front post, or creating a physical shape. By joining to the front of the stitch, it creates a raised edge for the fabric to fold sharply, which is great for plushies. Or, if completed in alternating rows, creates an elastic effect, which is great for beanies or gloves. The same method is used if completing an increase, and a decrease. Well, there we have it, the front post technique. I hope this has helped. If so, please subscribe and like the video. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment below. Have a lovely day.